Now, to announce the winners, we'll announce the third place, second, and then first. In third place, I am very pleased and privileged to announce Muhammad Amin. That's it. Muhammad Amin Asad Nana. Takbir! Allahu Akbar.
قل أأنتم أعلم أم الله ومن أظلم ممن كتم شهادة عنده من الله.
So for category A, Muhammad Amin Asad Nana. In second place, it's Adam Mangera. Adam Mangera worked very, very hard. Very good recitation as well, mashallah. Well done.
لا خير في كثير من نجواهم إلا من أمر بصدقة أو معروف أو إصلاح بين الناس.
You have come second in category A. So Adam Mangera, well done. And to announce the winner in category A, I'm honored and privileged to say the winner of this category is Muhammad Desai.
كما أرسلنا فيكم رسولا منكم يتلو عليكم آياتنا ويزكيكم ويعلمكم الكتاب.
The contestants, if I can ask you to come forward, just take 2 steps forward. That's it. And Shuyukh behind them as well, please. And we'll take a group picture. MashaAllah. Well done to every single one of you. Now to announce the category B winners. In third place, I'm pleased and honored to say, third place has been taken by Muhammad Kalang. Takbir!
وهذا صراط ربك مستقيما قد فصلنا الآيات لقوم يذكرون.
MashaAllah. Muhammad Kalang, you have taken the third spot. Well done to you, MashaAllah. May Allah reward you, may Allah bless you, and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give you the ability to recite even more strongly and beautifully. Say Ameen. Muhammad Kalang will also receive a cash prize of £200, inshaAllah. Next up, in second place, I'm pleased to say it is Asad Abdul Nasir Ahmed.
اقترب للناس حسابهم وهم في غفلة معرضون.
Asad, well done to you. Congratulations, and the winner in category B, I'm pleased to say, is Abdul Rahman Asad Nana.
ألا تقاتلون قوما نكثوا أيمانهم وهموا بإخراج الرسول.
Abdul Rahman Asad Nana has worked extremely hard and beautiful recitation, and he will receive a cash prize of £600 in addition to a Quran cube, and of course every single one of them get a jar of honey each and sweets from Heavenly Delights. If I can ask the contestants to step forward, yeah, right at the front. Right, so category C, this was the hardest one actually. This was the full Quran, and no doubt it would have been a challenging one for the contestants, because to memorize the whole Quran and to expect to remember everything and not to know where the question is going to ask you from is definitely a difficult task. So I'm pleased to say that every single one of you have performed exceptionally well. Unfortunately, only 3 can receive the prizes, but all of you are winners in your own right. And I hope that you can carry on working hard for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and go even stronger. In third place, I'm pleased to say it is Muhammad Ahmed.
يا أيها النبي إذا جاءك المؤمنات يبايعنك على ألا يشركن.
Muhammad Ahmed has come in third place. Congratulations, Barakallahu Fiqh, Muhammad. And in second place, it is Talha Dalal. Talha Dalal, Mabruk, you have secured second place.
قل إنما حرم ربي الفواحش ما ظهر منها وما بطن والإثم والبغي بغير الحق.
Mabruk, well done. And the winner of this category, category C, is Omar Jilani.
إنها ترمي بشرر كالقصر كأنه جمالة صفر.
Mabruk, Omar Jilani, exceptional performance, solid performance, very good. I think this one was one of the toughest one because all three of them recited exceptionally well. And Muhammad Ahmed, your recitation, your melody was exceptional. I'm sure you all will agree, and so did the other contestants. I think this is where sometimes it doesn't make sense, but this is where it comes down to the T. It comes down to the finest of the details, because when standards are so high, the judges have the difficult task of figuring out who is better than the other. And I really think all three of them have done so well that all three of them are winners. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless you all. This is going to be very tough because I think all four contestants in category D have done exceptionally well and beautifully recited. In third place, I'm pleased to say it is Uzair Ahmadji.
لقد جاءكم رسول من أنفسكم عزيز عليه ما عنتم.
In second place, I'm pleased to say it is Huzaifa Anwar.
إن ناشئة الليل هي أشد وطئا وأقوم قيلا.
Huzaifa Anwar, again, another exceptional recitation. Very well done, and I really do feel the category D, I could have, all categories, I could have listened to them on and on and on, and this is how much they've worked hard to recite beautifully. And like Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, وَرَتِّلُ الْقُرْآنَ تَرْتِيلًا, and this was the classic example of listening to the recitation of the Holy Quran and not being bored of it. In first place, the winner of this competition is Muhammad Yunus Rahman.
لعنهم الله في الدنيا والآخرة وأعد لهم عذابا مهينا والذين يؤذون المؤمنين والمؤمنات بغير ما اكتسبوا فقد احتملوا بهتانا وإثما مبينا.
Muhammad Yunus Rahman has come a long way, mashallah. I have seen this boy grow up from a very young age. And by the way, I had nothing to do with the marking, so even though I know him, I had no influence in this marking. I have seen Muhammad Yunus Rahman participate in Quran competitions and not even get to the quarterfinals, forget semifinals and final. But through the efforts of his parents and his hard work, I have to say, he has gone on to win many competitions, and today he's won the winners in category D. And Muhammad Yunus Rahman is going to look forward to a trip to Malaysia because he's going to represent United Kingdom in Malaysian International Quran Competition.